How to manage friend list in Line. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your friend list in the Line app. Whether you want to organize your contacts, hide someone, block someone, or remove a friend completely. Let's get started. First, open the Line app. Now tap on this home tab at the bottom left. You can see the official accounts right here, right? Tap on it, this official accounts. From here, you can do a few different things, like to view the friend details, tap on the friend's name to open their profile. Like you can open this profile like this. Now you can see their status message, share photos, and more from here. Now you can go back. Now if you don't want to appear on your main list but still want to stay connected, tap and hold their name like this, and you will see hide right here. Tap on hide and just tap on hide again. In this way they will be removed from your list but still be in your hidden list and they won't be notified. Now in order to unhide them later, you can go to their settings and unhide them. Now you can also block a friend. If you want to stop receiving messages, you can just block them by simply long press on the tab, and you can see block right here. Tap on block and block them by typing on block again. Now if you want to delete a friend, you can simply long press on the chat and see delete right here. Okay, then tap on delete and tap on this delete again, and they will be deleted permanently. And the thing you need to keep in mind is, once deleted, you will have to add them again manually if you want to reconnect. And that's it. That's how you manage your friend list in the Line. It's super easy to stay organized and in control of who you connect with. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thank you for watching.